Hi and hello guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress site in your own local server. Local server is the server that we create in our own laptop. So for this tutorial we require Xmpp software, latest WordPress software and the Notepad++ software. This is optional, you can use your own text editor for this purpose. Okay. See, Xmpp is a combo software which includes Apache, MySQL, PHP and Perl modules in it. Okay, it is available for different OSs, that is Windows, Linux and Apple OS. All these are completely free and it is available at apachefriends.org site. Okay, download it and install it. Next, this is the official WordPress site, www.wordpress.org. Here you can download the latest WordPress software. Now the latest version of WordPress is WordPress 4.0, and you can also download the Notepad++ software free of cost from their official site. Okay, so we have gathered all the resources that we need for this tutorial. Now go ahead, install the Xmpp. In this tutorial I am not gonna show you how to install it. It's a pretty simple, just click and go, install it. And Notepad++ is also the same, click and go, just install it. Now after installation of Xampp, go to your start menu, click all programs, search for Xampp directory there and open the Xampp control panel. See, Xampp control panel should look like this. It includes Apache module, MySQL module, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat. But for this tutorial we need only these two modules, that is Apache and MySQL. Go ahead and start both these modules. Okay, these two modules are started and the ports are listening. See here. Okay, by this action we can confirm that the server is up and we have installed successfully the server on our computer. Okay, now go ahead, open your computer and go to the directory where you have installed the Xampp. Okay, this is the directory, I have installed it in local disk C. Now search for htdocs directory there. Basically htdocs acts as a root folder in your local server. Now in this root folder go ahead and create a new folder. I'm going to put it as WP tutorials, right? Okay, so I have created a folder WP tutorials in my root folder of my server. Okay, pretty simple, right? Now we need a database for our website. Okay, open a new tab, type localhost. See, this is the user interface of Xampp for Windows. In the left side you should see a menu like this. In this tools section you should see PHP MyAdmin. Click it. Okay, in this you should see here a database tab. Click the databases tab. Okay, now here see here create database option. You now put a name for it. I am going to put tutorials name for my database. Okay, leave it as coalition type and click create. Okay, database tutorials has been created. Now we just examine what is in it. See tutorials. See, it's empty, it has no tables in it. Okay, now go ahead to the directory we have downloaded, WordPress 4.0. Okay, now extract the folder and open it. See, you should be able to see these contents in it. Just copy all those, Ctrl A and Ctrl C. That means you copy all the contents in the WordPress directory we have downloaded from WordPress site and paste it in the folder we have created in the root of our server. Okay, see, Xampp also has an installer, pre-installer to install WordPress, but you should know how to install manually this WordPress. Because you are learning, you should always know this. I suggest you know this. Okay, copy has been completed. In these files, look for a file named wp-config-sample. That means the WordPress configuration file. It is provided as a sample here. Now open it in the text editor. That means Notepad++. See, doesn't exist anymore. No. See, um, this file should be looking like this, and here define database name. See, here we should put our database name. Previously we have created the database, right? Put the name here. The name of our database is tutorials, correct? Okay, now MySQL database username. For local server, if we didn't change the default settings, the default username is root. Next, default password is nil, that means empty. We will leave it as empty. The MySQL host name is localhost, correct? And remaining leave them as defaults, don't alter anything. Now the trickiest part is you should not save it, you should save as wp-config.php. Okay, save. See, we have saved it as wp-config.php. Now open your uh, website folder. You should see both these files, wp-config and wp-config.sample. Go ahead and delete this sample file. Okay, now go to your browser there and type the web address localhost. The web address is wp tutorials, right? See, now select the language of your WordPress. I selected English. Put a site title. I'm going to put it as demo site. Username. Put your username here. Admin username and password. Now click install WordPress. This can take some time because when we hit the install button, the WordPress creates tables in our database. We'll see it later. See, our installation has been completed. Now log into our site. Okay, login. Okay, we have successfully installed the WordPress in our local server. You can customize your WordPress site from here on using this dashboard menu. Okay, now let me show you what happened to our database also. See, this is a database tutorials, right? Click again on it. See, WordPress has created the tables in it. So in this way we can install the WordPress in our local server manually. Okay guys, this is it for this tutorial, and stay tuned to our future tutorials. I will be adding more in soon. Thank you. If you have any doubts or you want to comment, please comment below this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.